Leo, wait. Why is the door open?
Stay behind me. Something isn't right.
The house.
Someone was here. Toby, don't move. Don't touch a single thing.
I'm staying on the tile. I won't cross onto the rug.
Hello, I'm reporting a burglary. We just arrived home.
Leo, look! Muddy boot prints. They're still wet.
Yes, and they head toward the back window.
That's the entry point. The glass is inside, so they broke it from the outside.
Good observation. You remembered your science lesson.
The police are here. Now we can figure this out.
Step back, please. Let me see the scene. Who found the entry point?
I did, Detective. The back window near the kitchen.
You didn't walk through here, did you?
No, sir. I stayed on the tile to avoid contaminating the prints.
At least you're easy to spot. Smart thinking. Is anything valuable missing from this room? What was here? My laptop is gone. It had all my work files.
My tablet is still there. Why would they take a laptop but not a tablet?
They were in a hurry. They went for the heavy electronics first.
Detective, is that a glove print or a smudge?
That's transfer evidence, likely from a rubber-coated glove. Evidence preservation is a race against time.
Do the numbers show the order of the footprints?
Exactly, Toby. They mark the path from start to finish. I can't believe this happened in our neighborhood.
We're going to find them, Leo. The detective is the best.
I need a list of everything missing. Serial numbers if you have them.
I saved the serial numbers in my notes last month.
Preparation like this makes my job 50% easier. Let me see that.
The tread pattern is a grid. It's not a sneaker, it's a work boot.
Excellent. Looks like a standard construction boot, size 11.
If they broke the window, why is the door lock scratched?
They tried the door first. When it didn't open, they went for the glass.
They used a screwdriver. Look at the width of the marks.
Tool mark analysis. You've been reading up on this, haven't you?
I like the science behind the clues.
What's that under the sofa?
Detective, there's a piece of plastic under the couch.
It's a piece of a security tag from a high-end store.
Wait, the electronics store downtown uses red tags like that.
The thief might have robbed the store before coming here. Do you think they're still in the area? All units, be on the lookout for a male in work boots near the South District.
That mud, it's not from our yard. Our dirt is dark and brown.
This is clay-based soil. Where's the nearest construction site?
The new library, they're digging a foundation there.
Toby, you're better than a GPS. Search the library construction site perimeter.
Is that a UV light for latent prints?
Yes, it's revealing prints now. Exactly. Look, a partial palm print on the frame.
It glows. It's like a hidden map.
Steady hands are required here. One slip and the print is gone.
I've got the light. I won't move.
Good. Keep it steady right there. Got it. This is our primary suspect's ID.
It's crazy that a tiny pattern on a finger can tell a whole story.
Thank you for teaching him while you work. The world needs more people who pay attention to detail. Dispatch, we found a bag of electronics hidden behind a concrete mixer.
That's it! The construction site!
Stay here with the officer. I'm going to verify the items.
We did it, Leo! The logic worked!
Your brain saved my work files, Toby.
I should check the security of our back window. The latch was weak. We need to install a secondary lock.
First thing tomorrow morning. We're upgrading everything.
I think my shoes are officially part of a crime scene now.
I'll buy you a new pair if we can't clean them.
No way. These are my lucky detective sneakers.
Recognize this, Leo? Yes, this is it. Everything is still here.
Even my headphones, they really were in a rush.
We caught him. He was trying to catch a bus near the site.
Was he wearing the work boots? Size 11?
Standard issue, size 11, and his gloves had the same rubber coating.
Case closed. The evidence doesn't lie.
I'll need you both to come to the station tomorrow to sign the statements. We'll be there. Thank you, Detective. Good. I'll review the evidence and be in touch. It's an honorary investigator pin.
I'm going to wear this to school on Monday. Detective, how do we make sure this doesn't happen again?
Motion lights. And trim those bushes. They're a perfect hiding spot.
I'll help Leo trim them tomorrow. No more shadows.
I'll get the broom.
We have to be careful with the tiny pieces. The window needs a piece of plywood for tonight.
I'll hammer it in. You hold the light.
We're making our house a fortress. It's strange how a bad thing can make you learn so much.
It's not pretty, but it's safe for tonight.
I'm so tired. My brain is vibrating.
I know, buddy. Just rest now. You were the bravest person in the room tonight.
I want to study more about soil analysis. It was the key.
You have the mind for it. Always looking for the why.
We should get a camera that connects to our phones. It records anyone who walks near the door.
Oh, that's really smart, right? And it sends an alert.
I like it.
Locks, lights, cameras, we're doing it all.
I'm glad we're safe. That's the most important thing. My throat is dry from all the talking. Is that a new scratch, or was it always there? I think I'm going to be a detective for a long time. Toby, come check this out. What is it?
Ready for bed, Mr. Investigator?
Okay. Good night, Shoes. You did a good job today. The mystery is solved. The house is quiet. If he robbed the store first, he must have been really tired. Patience is a detective's best weapon.
The alarm is set. Sleep well, Toby.
Case closed.
The end.
Why didn't Toby walk on the rug? What did Toby want to study more about?